Before you add a clip, you can trim it, but I like to bring the whole clip down onto the timeline and trim it there. And to trim it, what we do is we click on the clip, it'll be highlighted in yellow, and then we can bring it in and out. You can see the duration of the clip is changing, it's getting smaller. So now I just have 30 seconds of what was, I think, a 40-second clip. If you are having trouble deciding where to trim your clip to, you can use this extra option, which is the precision editor, which lets you see what was before it and what comes after, and that lets you find the exact moment to match up. But our shoot was pretty straightforward, so we'll just click on that to get out of it, and I'll just trim it like this. Now you might decide that actually I want to trim a little bit in the middle, and to do that what we need to do is we need to split the clip, and to do that we go Control, right click in Mac, and this gives us some options, and now I can split the clip, and it will do that where the playhead is positioned. And now I have two clips, and I can, if I didn't want this bit, I can literally just trim it off, and so now it's gone. So we've talked about trimming your clips, and we've talked about splitting your clips, and that is two ways of getting rid of the bits that you don't want, which is a large part of editing. If you decide you want to duplicate a clip, say you choose this one, you can use the same right click option of Control, right click on your mouse and go copy, and you've also got copy and paste here, so I'm going to go paste, and now I have two versions of that clip. Remembering you also have the shortcuts that you can use to duplicate clips. Now if you wanted to delete a clip, select a clip by clicking on it, and then simply click delete on your keyboard, and it is gone. You can also delete a clip with the right click function, like that. Now if you decide that the part of the clip that you want to delete is in the middle of the clip, say I want to delete here to here, what I need to do is I click R on the keyboard and hold it down, and that lets me select a range, and then I can click delete on my keyboard. I can also use the range function when I'm reviewing my clips. So here I am scrubbing through my footage, and if I find a bit that I like, I hold down R on the keyboard and I drag till I have the bit that I want. So say I want this section, and now it gives me the option to click the plus button, and that will be added, just that little section, not the whole clip.